There's Reuben. Here's Johnny. Johnny? Hi, Johnny. There's Johnny. And Bear. Bear, look at the camera. Hi, Bear. And it's 2 days before Christmas. And they're playing right out here, making a big mess in front of the Christmas tree. Oh, careful, that's a big thing to put in there. Hey, boys. Oh, Bear, get the boot and put it back. Barrett, get the boot and put it back. That doesn't go in here. Back out where you got it. Thank you, Bear. No, Bear, put it away. Thank you, Bear. That's a good boy. Oh, Reuben's closing Johnny in the box. Careful, Reuben. Reuben, no, Bear. We're not gonna help Reuben. We're gonna help Johnny get out. No, Bear. We're gonna help Johnny get out, not to put Johnny in more. Barrett. No, poor Johnny. All right, I have to say.